In this video, we will focus on the registration button. Despite offering several professionally designed, fully editable registration pages, some users prefer to use their own and only want to integrate our registration form into it. This is where the registration button comes into play. Upon clicking it, you will receive a code that you can simply copy and paste into the desired location on your HTML page to display the button. To test its functionality, copy the code and open jsfiddle.net. Paste the code into the HTML section and click the Run button. The Register Now button will appear in the window. Resize the window for a better view. Click on the Register Now button and a modal containing the registration form, identical to our registration pages, will be displayed. Click the close icon to exit the modal. Now let's examine the code so you can explain its usage to your programmer. Occasionally, it may be necessary to distribute these parts across various sections on your site, especially for providers of pre-built solutions like Wix, Hostinger, WordPress, Shopify, and others, which might encounter issues with third-party scripts. Expand the HTML window to get a better view of the code. You might not understand the following terms, but your programmer certainly will. You can provide them with this tutorial to assist in the setup. The button can be placed anywhere in the body section of your HTML page, and you can modify the button text here. After clicking Run, you'll see the changes. The Style section is intended for adjusting colors, font size, background, or button placement on your page to align with your design. Let's make some modifications to showcase how it works. CSS and HTML knowledge is required here, but your programmer or provider should understand it. After making changes, click the Run button again, and you'll see the changes. Insert the entire Style section where CSS styles are applied, typically in the Head section. Sometimes, it might be necessary to relocate this section, containing the modal, to the end of the Body section. As each provider has a unique method of inserting external scripts, we can only offer tips on correct usage. It's imperative to consult your programmer or provider familiar with this topic for assistance. For a simple demonstration, you can find a free HTML template on Google. While the specific template may vary, the process remains the same. Use, for example, these keywords on Google. Download free website templates. For this example, we'll use this page. Ensure you read the template's terms of use to avoid copyright issues. After downloading and opening the files, you'll find the index.html startup file. Open it in a browser and the page will be displayed. To edit the code, use a text editor like Notepad++ to open the index.html file. Find the section to be changed. Try inserting our entire code next to the existing button. If everything works, you're done. If issues appear, such as the form not being easily visible, it may be necessary to move parts of the code to the head and body sections. In such cases, contact your programmer or provider. Save the modified file, refresh the page in the browser, and a new button will appear. The programmer should adjust the colors and style to match your site's design. Clicking the button will correctly display the registration form. These advanced settings are typically handled by your programmer or the provider of your registration pages, and this guide can aid them. In the next video, we will explore sessions,